Hello everyone, I'm Vicky. It's my pleasure to share my speech entitled, I'm a Millennial. I was born in 2002, making me a millennial. As a millennial, I have experienced many magical moments. When I was little, I lived in a period without smartphones. That period allowed me to preserve the most innocent part of my heart. I played in nature, felt its beauty, and learned from it. Then, I witnessed the arrival of smartphones in our lives. With the rise of new technology, nature was no longer my only companion. Smartphone became a part of my world too. As I grew up, I became proficient in new technology. It seems I can use it to break through limitation, even changing how others treat us in the workplace. My best friend, Google and ChatGPT, help me to overcome every obstacle. It's incredibly rewarding and convenient to discover more about me. At the same time, I've learned to think independently and follow my heart. Because of this, I've gained a sense of myself, but also feel like I've lost my true self in some ways. In this generation, we have many opportunities to explore and learn from trial and error. Many of my friends choose to travel or study abroad before turning 30 instead of immediately searching for jobs. My generation is full of flexibility and challenges. We soar higher than our parents did, but also need more time to find ourselves. Millennials are different from other generations, but just as remarkable. Thanks for listening. Have a nice day.